and we're gonna have a lot of fun playing with home decor. I definitely do not love this. Quick, easy, and super yummy. And it smells amazing. We're also going to play. Do you like it too? These are my top 6. Hey guys, Charlani here. Happy New Year. I hope you're as excited as I am about there being a new year. And listen, I am not a new year, new me kind of girl. I am not all about resolutions because I feel like you should be setting goals for yourself throughout the year. It shouldn't happen one time a year, but there is something super awesome about it being a new year. It's kind of like we have closed the door, the chapter to one part of our lives, and now we do have a fresh start, a clean slate to do whatever it is that we want. So I have been working on our home clean slate, if you will. You can see all of the Christmas decor is down. We have a big empty space right here where our beautiful tree was. It is now empty. We've got to move the piano back over here, kind of get everything reconfigured. And I was thinking that today we can do this. Let's figure out what we want this table to look like. I have a few areas that I need to kind of zhuzh up. I'm not really loving this area right here, so maybe we'll play around here. This area right here too, maybe we'll play around with this. We also have some dishes that need to be put in the dishwasher. So there's definitely several things that we can do. We got to get rid of these because today started the let's get healthy lifestyle. I got up this morning, I worked out this morning, which honestly felt absolutely amazing. And I'll tell you, it was just as painful as I thought it was going to be, but painful in a good way. So healthier eating for sure, that has got to be #1 priority. Daily body movement, get the blood pumping. That is something that we're going to make a priority as well. So, new year, happy new year. I also wanted to say a big, huge thank you to those of you who spent Vlogmas with me. We vlogged every day in the month of December through Christmas. So I hope that you and your family had an absolutely amazing Christmas. So happy holidays and happy new year. So even if you don't celebrate Christmas, that's okay. It's the new year. So happy new year to you. So with the new year comes a whole bunch of fun things, right? We get to plan out our vision and our goals for the next year. And if that's something that you guys maybe want to see, let me know. I love talking about goal setting and vision and time management type things to help you to hit those bigger goals, big dreams. Let me know and we can talk more about that kind of stuff too. But for now, let me just show you a little bit of the things that we've cleaned up. If you didn't notice, so last week was my kind of recharge week, but I did not fully unplug. You may have noticed I actually did some shorts on. You can find the shorts here on my channel. Just go to the shorts tab and you'll see kind of my Christmas cleanup. I did a short on the DIY tree put away, the Christmas village. I also did a short on taking down all of the Christmas kitchen decor and putting everything back up. This is making me nuts. We need to clean this kitchen. We'll do that down here in just a minute. I also have to give a big thank you to my husband because he helped bring all the stuff from down here, everything that we put away in our holiday storage closet. He brought up the majority of the heavy stuff. So he did a lot of that heavy lifting, which I was so thankful for. But everything fit in our closet. And yeah, we have a pink LED light. This is our gym right here. It gives it a fun vibe because you can see the reflection in the mirror. It does, it just gives it a super fun vibe. Anyways, I mean, look at that. Everything fits. So everything is in a bin. I've got all the boxes, even the Christmas Village stuff is in here. And look, you guys, look at all this space we have for future holiday decor purchases. We got space. It took 2 full days to undecorate this house, and I did something a little different than I normally do. So I, in the past, have always put like items in the same bin. So all the florals were in one bin. All of the goodies for tiered trays were all in their own bin. So every year I could be creative and I could use the things I had in different areas on different tiered trays. I could use some florals here, some there, but I loved the way our house looked this year. I loved the way the mantle looked. I love how the kitchen island came out. So what I decided was to pack everything away by area. So this year, instead of doing the like items in one bin, I just did the mantle is in one bin, the kitchen island is in one bin. And I think next year it's gonna be, number one, a lot easier and quicker to put up our Christmas decor. I'm not gonna have to think and try new things out. I'm gonna know exactly what I want and where I want it. But I gotta tell you, I loved the way that our kitchen island turned out. Absolutely love the way our mantle and fireplace area came out. Of all the years that I have been decorating this house, so this is what, year 12, I think. This year was absolutely my favorite. So we're gonna replicate that next year. And packing everything away with everything from the mantle in one bin, it's gonna be a lot easier to do that. I feel like this just looks so plain with nothing on it. Just our pretty little pot. We got the pot at Pier 1 over the last few months, and then we got these stems at Magnolia, which I just love. But we will, I'm gonna live with this for just a little bit because I'm not sure exactly where we're gonna go with it or what we're gonna do, but stay tuned. I have some ideas. Do you watch Yellowstone? If not, you should. It's really good. And if you do watch Yellowstone, I don't know, let me know if you also are a little bit disappointed in this season. There just wasn't very much action at all. That's just kind of how I feel about it. But I am loving 1923. We are on episode 3 of that, and oh, so good. If you are following along our advent calendar right here, actually need to take that down, but if you are following along, these were the 6 teas that I really, really liked. The Feel New, I would say, was my absolute favorite. I really liked the Fresh Start as well. And then these 4 right here, I can't rate them because I don't quite remember. But I know that these are my top 6. I threw away the cookies that were here. I'm gonna throw this away too because we won't be having pizza anytime soon. And we kind of had like a last hurrah last night. We had pizza while we were watching the football game. See, cookies. I've brought down just some fun little goodies that maybe we can use in here. But I do have a lot of things from around the house. When I took everything down, I just kind of placed things where I had room. For example, this is one area, let me flip the lights on, where I just kind of put things like this. There's too much here anyways, so I'll probably move this. In fact, let's just, for funsies, let's just see. So I'm kind of like something like that, maybe not that specifically, but something like that to kind of give height in the middle, and then kind of just play around with stuff at the bottom. I'm thinking maybe candles, but yeah, this is gonna be fun. I am kind of loving this in the middle. I kind of really like that. It plays on the greenery that we have back here because these are olive branches. I also have some more olive branches that if we need to thicken it up, we can. But remember, I also have a bunch of stuff up here. I also have the things back here. And then don't forget all of our just vases, vessels, candlesticks. So we have a lot we can play with. We're gonna actually take a really quick break. Rob and I are gonna run to HEB and get some... We're gonna take the car to HEB and get some meat. We stocked up on all the meats. And then we also got some mango, tomatoes, avocados, and potatoes. I've already got the potatoes in the microwave. The way we do it is we microwave them and then cut them up, kind of like mash them. And then we add butter and garlic, sea salt, and pepper in a bowl. So good. And Rob and I can make our potatoes specific to how we want to eat them. But healthy eating, so basically we eat in whole foods, like whole healthy foods, healthy fats, things like that, which is a really yummy way to eat while also getting all those macronutrients that we need. So while we're making dinner, we're also going to play. I am not a professional interior designer, but I do know what looks good to me. Sometimes I start out with a specific vision in mind, or I'll find an inspo pic in Pinterest or magazines, or even design spaces when I window shop, places like Pottery Barn, Restoration Hardware, Magnolia Home. But sometimes I just want to wing it too. I like to be creative and try things in one spot, move it around, switch things out, and it'll eventually come together. There are definitely rules that you can follow to style up spaces, like cluster things in threes, stack books in piles, color coordinate your books. And my all-time least followed rule is less is more. But don't get me wrong, I do follow these sometimes, but there are times when I just want an organized, chaotic look, or I want 5 things in a cluster instead of 3. So my rule always is do what looks good to you. It's your space, design it how you like it. But if you're stuck and you aren't quite sure where to start, follow the rules of design and it'll get you going for sure. This is what we've got so far. Love. We're gonna keep it this way. I'm gonna live with it for a minute while we move the piano. I definitely do not love this, but we're gonna step away for just a minute. But this is what we've got right here so far. This week, I'm really focusing on portion control, reminding myself what a healthy portion looks like. So this is mine here, and then Rob over here, he's cutting
healthy portion. Healthy portion. That's a healthy portion for me too.
So now he can add anything he wants. So if you are trying to be healthy, but your family is also like, you know what, I want a little more butter, please. Or they just want to add sour cream or any other kind of seasoning that you might not like, this is an option for you. Quick, easy, and super yummy. Oh my gosh, and it smells amazing. Good job, honey. There are lots of things in life that I feel are relaxing and therapeutic, and to me, rearranging home decor is one of them. I do it all the time. I like the fresh take on a new look of a styled up area, so I often will rearrange my home decor pieces around the house. My happiness tip of the day is find something you love and do it as often as you can. Hey buddy, do you like it too? Do you approve? Definitely love how everything has come out. We have a new thing to find when we are out thrifting, and it is like a vintage music book of some sort. I don't know if it'll be a pamphlet or just papers. I'm hoping to get like a booklet of really cool songs. So that is the vision I have for right here, but I want it to be old and thrifted. I think that would be a cool little moment right there. I don't know if I love this, but I do like it. So we're gonna keep that for now. Everything is kind of just gonna be a work in progress as the days go on. And we're gonna have a lot of fun playing with home decor. And a lot of what I will be doing over these next few weeks is trying new things. We're gonna do some shopping trips. Definitely wanna go to Home Goods. I have some areas that we have to style up. We've got a corner bookcase that I wanna get to. There are things that we will tackle. So, if home decor is something that you like, I'd love for you to consider hitting that subscribe button if you aren't already. Thanks so much for watching today's video, my first video back after Vlogmas. It was good to get my feet wet, but I'm very excited for the content that we have coming up. We've got DIYs to do. We have furniture that we are flipping, painting, sanding, lots of different things, and then of course all the home decor stuff. I hope you're excited about the new year ahead. I am for sure. So I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.